Hey, KP Gaming here. In this video, I will try to go from 0 to 1000 followers in Zepeto. The catch is I have only 24 hours to do this. With these tricks and methods you can get a lot of friends and followers too, feel free to try them. As you can see, I just registered this Zepeto account, I have no followers and no following. I just made a bio and posted 3 pictures with my character. Not even a single like on them, but we will change this too. Alright, let's begin. The first method I will try is going to the search bar in the account section. Here you can see featured Zepeto players. I will look for a user who has their followers unlocked for everyone to see. This might take some time until I find someone. This time I got lucky. As you can see, Atlas Vibes has their followers on public, so this is the account I will use to get followers. But keep in mind these featured accounts change every week, so you will different people here. Just go down on the list until you find someone with public followers. What I will do is follow around 2000 people from the top of this list. This is pretty boring, so while doing it you can listen to some music, or watch YouTube videos. Alright, as you can see, I'm done with this method, and it took me 28 minutes. I'm only at 108 followers, but don't have to worry, this takes some time to work. Let's go to the next method. I will click on this human icon, with a plus sign on my page. This brings me here and I click on, follow new users and get 500 coins daily. I will follow around 2000 people from this list too. And I'm finished. This took me another half an hour. So I'm at 1 hour, and already at 338 followers. Not that many likes on my pictures, but better than 0. Let's do the third method. I will go to this search bar again and type, world. I click on tag. Here I choose the first hashtag, called, Zepeto World. Go to the new page. I will like the most recent posts in Zepeto. If you really like a post, you can write a nice comment. People love comments. I will do this for around half an hour too. Alright, I'm finished now. I'm going to check my messages and make some friends. Also, here's an update on my followers and likes. Only thing I have to do from now on is wait. I will go to bed and see my followers tomorrow. And after 19 hours the challenge is completed. I got 1000 followers, and the likes are good too. I also made many friends while doing this challenge. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.